Hi everyone, today let's make some Microbricks Parrot. So the other week I went to a zoo with my friend, and when we looked in the gift shop they had these really cute Microbricks birds and animals, and when I saw the flamingo I was like, I definitely need to get that one because I love flamingos. But then I also saw the parrot and was like, oh, he looks really cool as well, and the penguin. And then I couldn't choose because I was like, oh no, I love all of them. I think there was a dinosaur, I think there was an elephant, and maybe a giraffe and a few other animals as well. But I really liked these ones, so I couldn't choose between them. So I did end up getting all three of the ones that I liked. So I've already made the flamingo, and it's so cool. They've got really tiny fiddly little bricks. So in the flamingo there was 148 pieces, but it's just really fun to build because they're like Lego but teeny tiny. I think it took me about an hour to make the flamingo because the pieces are quite fiddly, and it took me a little while to understand the instructions, and also with like the really thin neck and legs it was quite fiddly to put together. But I think the penguin and the parrot should be a bit easier as they're not as thin as the flamingo. So the penguin has 169 pieces and the parrot has 137 pieces. So I think I'm going to do the parrot next. So we've got instructions. And how you do it, you kind of have to do, or at least with the flamingo, you kind of had to do it a layer at a time. The base. And the pieces in here. There's also some pieces loose in the box as well. So I've now finished building the parrot. It took me about 50 minutes to build, especially as the pieces are so tiny and fiddly. But there's loads of pieces left over, but I think I've done it right. So now let's build the penguin. So I've now finished building the penguin. It took me about 1 hour and 10 minutes to build, so it's the longest out of the 3, but it was one of the most pieces. I love the parrot, he's so cool and colourful. They look so cool, I'm really happy with them, but some parts were really hard to do because the instructions weren't the easiest to try and work out what piece was going where. And because they're so tiny and fiddly, and some parts didn't go together as well because they're not proper Lego bricks. I suppose they're just kind of cheaper quality bricks, so they didn't always go together as well. But I managed to build them and I'm really happy with them, and they're only £5.50 each, so they're really cool. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!